I'll be back.
Alright, see you.
I think he'll come around.
Hope so. I mean,
A lot.
pretty quiet on the way here.
What's up with that?
I heard there was pretty big elks in the area. Thought I'd bring my rifle.
Think that's appropriate right now?
What are you talking about?
I mean, he just lost his mother. I think he's seen enough death.
Funny story, actually. My cousin just got run down by a moose. It was the one time he didn't bring his rifle with him.
It's because your cousin's a fucking moron.
Okay. You want to end up looking like Simon? Be my guest, but otherwise, shut your mouth.
Wow.
Can't with this fucking guy.
He'll get over it.
Hey, can we stop? Just
Yeah.
for a sec.
Yeah, sounds good. I need a minute too. You want one?
No, I'm fine.
Yo, guys. What I found, huh?
Oh, that's neat.
What is that?
You know, I really couldn't tell you.
Pretty cool.
Weird too, huh?
Yeah.
Well, alright, let's go.
You good?
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
Just practicing my shot. What's the big deal?
Dude.
Look what you did, Nimrod. And you scared all your game away.
Give us a warning next time, yeah?
Or just don't shoot at all.
Alright. I'm taking it smart.
Hey, how you doing? I haven't really had a chance to talk to you about, you know.
Sorry, my head is, yeah, I'm okay. I mean, doctor said I'll recover just fine. No serious complications or anything.
That's good to hear. You looked pretty bad when they pulled you out. I'll be honest, I was scared. I didn't know if you were gonna make it. I'm so sorry about your mom. Simon. How are you dealing with that?
I should have been nicer to her. I mean, before the crash and everything, I was just saying these awful things, and I was yelling. We were both yelling, but I was just being so rude and never had the chance to say I'm sorry or even to tell her that I loved her.
But she knew you loved her. And sure, you didn't get to say goodbye, but that's how things go sometimes. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Hey, Nick.
I know you shot my Labubu. That thing was expensive.
Fuck your Labubu, Henry. Be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Nick?
Nick!
Nick!
Oh my God! It's Nick! Simon, we have to get help. What the fuck was that?
Henry, are you okay?
Yeah, it's just my elbow.
Henry!
My son, do not mourn me as gone. Though the birds fall silent, I am the ground that holds you still.